Hello, let's take a look at how many triangles we can find in this overall big triangle. This was a Survivor competition a few years ago where the competitor had 4 hours to figure out the number of triangles, but they could only answer once. And if they won, then they won, I think, their flint for their group. So let's start. The first 30 triangles are very much based on patterns. So I want to start with those 30 first. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we repeat that with the middle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we repeat that with the outside. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So those 15 triangles are just the first set of patterns. Now, there's another pattern that continues, and these triangles are doubles. They're like double wide. So we were at 15. Let's continue. We have 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So that's our first set of double wide, but there is another set of double wide that is the right side triangle and the middle. So let's do those. So 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So those 25 triangles include the single wide and the double wides, but there is also a set that are 3 wide, the triple wide ones. So let's do that one next. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So there are the first 30 triangles. Now we're gonna go into like the nitty-gritty ones that are kind of not part of a pattern that may have been a little bit more difficult to find. So let's start with 31 is this small little triangle right here. 32 is this triangle right there. 33 is here. 34 is here. 35 is the small section here. And 36 is this section right in here. All right, so far we are at 36. Let's keep going. Okay, 37 right here. 38 encompasses that 37, so that section right there. And then 39 is a bigger one that encompasses those 2 smaller ones. So we're at 39. Let's erase. Okay, the next one, which is 40, is this small little one right here. 41 is this section right here. And then 42 is the even bigger section right here. So now we are at 42. So let's keep going. Still some more. 43 is this little tiny section right here. 44 is this small one right here. 45 is this one right here. 46 is this one right here. 47 is this section right here. So this triangle right there, 47. 48 encompasses that. So it's this triangle right here. Okay, we got a few more. Let's erase, do one final erase. 49 is this tiny little triangle right here. 50 is this triangle right here. And 51 is this triangle right here. So there are a total of 51 triangles. Thanks for watching.